welcome along to a zoomy Otis. Yes, you are tuned to the adventures of Otis, and this morning I'll show you where we are when Otis has finished doing his good morning zoomy. Good boy. We're at McDonald's at Bellshill, alongside the Esso petrol station. I say petrol because they've not got diesel at the moment. Hang on, Otis is doing more zoomies. Good boy. Okay, Otis. Lie down. Otis, lie down. That's a good boy. Okay, good boy. Right, well, we're at the roundabout here at Bellshill. So to the right we have Hamilton, which takes us down to the M74 and to Glasgow. And to the left we have also Glasgow, but this time to the M8. All roads seem to go to Glasgow from here. But we're not going to do either of those. We're not going to go up towards Motherwell or Bellshill Industrial Estate. We're actually going to head back down towards Tunnocks side and through under Uddingston. So the plan is to look out for the old mine nature reserve en route, because we don't really want to follow the main roads all the way to Uddingston from here. So we leave the Esso garage behind and we head down towards the Shell garage, where we need to take a left-hand turn, apparently just after the cemetery, and that'll take us down through the nature reserve now known as the Old Mine Nature Reserve. And as we're still in the ward of Bothwell, this is the Bothwell Park Cemetery, which is to the north of the main line from Glasgow to Edinburgh. So this morning we'll pass under, I guess, two main lines, one that goes from Glasgow to Edinburgh and the other one that passes from Glasgow to Carlisle, the one that heads south. And here we are, Bothwell Park Cemetery. No, just not going that way. Good boy. Yep, we're going to walk along here to the Shell garage. When we get to the Shell garage, Otis, we'll take a left, okay? Good boy, let's go. There we are, my navigator's got his instructions. Hopefully, he'll remember them. Let's see if Otis remembers his instructions. I'm not going to say a word. Just got to follow Otis. But Otis is going the right way. Good on you. Past the hawthorn bushes. Lots of them. So Otis, is this the way? You sure? Good boy. Well, the beautiful sound of the birds as they awaken the day. Beautiful bluebells. Only a few though. And here's the stone protecting the centre of the old mine. And we're going to head south, which is this way. Good boy. Good boy. This way. There you go, you're free. Considering he hates being on the lead, he's been quite a good boy this morning. Okay, Otis, come on, let's go. Well, this is very reminiscent of the woods around near Ringland, full of hawthorn trees, and also I was going to say ash. Am I right or am I wrong? I was always told ash leaves were directly opposite each other. There we go. Come on, Otis. Oh, some more beautiful bluebells hidden away amongst the stinging nettles. And apparently, I said these were gypsophilia the other day, and Vicky assures me that they are cow parsley. Something else I've learned. There we go. I'm learning, guys, I'm learning. Would you believe back in 1982 I passed my forester's badge in Scouts, which meant I had to know something like 50 species of trees, bushes, flowers and all that sort of stuff. It was a long time ago, that's my excuse anyway. And here's the first of the railway lines that we travel under. This is the Glasgow to Edinburgh line. And apparently this is the start of the old mine nature reserve. And in the distance there we just about make out Bothwell and the church at Bothwell. Okay, this is where we get choices. Left or right, Otis? We'll follow you. Guess I'm going left, guys. There we are, time to leave some comments below. What is this beautiful plant? Don't know. It's a big pink daisy. This way, Otis. I officially name it a big pink daisy. And the first of the beautiful, tall, lanky buttercups. Talk about daisies, I've not seen many daisies yet. Perhaps a little bit too early for them. Plenty of buttercups there. And this wonderful dog, which I'm following. He's Otis. Hi, Otis. Now, Otis is half collie and half cocker spaniel, which makes him a collie cocker or a cocky collie, one or the other. I wouldn't even hazard a guess what they're called. I recognise the dandelions. Some beautiful pink flowers there as well. Okay. Good boy. Oh, the ground's getting a little bit marshy along here. Otis, you stay nearby. I think there's a bit of a pondy thing just coming up on our left. Yes, it looks very sort of brackeny. Oh, there's a funny little moorhen thingy scuttling through the wilderness. No, Otis, no. Good boy. Lovely little pond though. Yes, I don't know what's in that water though. Doesn't look very appetising, that's for sure. And then we'll head underneath the Glasgow to Carlisle line. And there's a deer again under the bridge. Deer, deer, deer. Otis has spotted him. and off he gallops. It's a good boy, Otis. There we go, Carlisle to the left, Glasgow to the right. This is Bothwell Park Road. Fantastic. And here we are. Can't go over it, can't go around it, can't go through it, you have to go under it. Carlisle, Glasgow. This is bridge WCM 2-030, Frame Road between Motherwell and Fullside. And Fullside is where we're heading. So that's our next port of call before we get to Uddingston. And here we have a second railway line crossing, which is obviously not used unless you've got a ghost train. I've noticed lots of these vents everywhere, so I'm guessing this must just vent out the mines that are below us to now not in use. Okay. It's a good boy. Now what I'm hoping is that this part of the woodland path brings us out to Fullside, which is just slightly north of Uddingston. Okay, keep going, Otis. Who knows, we could be lost. Could be lost forever. I've got an Otis, I'll never be lost. He knows exactly where to go, look at him go. Otis, come back here, come here. Otis, come back here. I hear a railway train. I don't see it. Yes, I do, there it is up in the trees. Otis, come here. You little toad. I know it's that way. I'm coming, I'm coming. He's so excited. It's Zoomie o'clock. Otis! Otis, come here. It's the main road. Otis, come here. It's a good boy. Right. Wait! Come here, I'll put your lead down, you daft so-and-so. It's Zoomie time. That's a good boy. Are you finished? Oh, my fingers this morning out playing the game, Otis. Okay. Slowly, it's the main road. Otis, you wait for me. Here we go, Fullside Road. That's where we just came out. And we're going to head this way, that side. Crossover, good boy. So we leave North Lanarkshire behind, and up ahead of us we have South Lanarkshire. There we are, South Lanarkshire. Okay, good boy, Otis. And this is where we go over another railway line. Oh, there's a train over there as well, heading into Uddingston. Above the bridge, you can see where the two lines sort of merge down towards Uddingston railway station, further on down, about a mile away I guess, maybe two, about 2 miles away. Yes, because we need to go underneath the M74 next, and then I think we're officially in Uddingston. M74 just ahead of us, which we're going to walk underneath. And if I zoom in on the sign, you can make out the Uddingston junction and the sign there for the M74, which continues to Glasgow. Okay, Otis, let's move on. Hi ho, off to Uddingston we go. Sorry, Otis, couldn't be helped. And here we are, coming up to the Bothwell Industrial Estate, which even though is in Uddingston, it's all part of the Hamilton District Council. I didn't realise that. And it's all part of the Strathclyde Integrated Development Operation. Still got the European sign as well. There we go. And it's Uddingston self-storage. Little advert there for you. So we're going to cross over Wilkie Road. And continue our search for Tunnocks tea cakes. Yes, we'll officially be in Uddingston then, that's for sure. Let's prove we are actually in Uddingston. Here's Uddingston's library. And here we have the towers storing the mallow and the caramel and the coconut for Tunnocks tea cakes. Fantastic. Okay, Otis. Oh well, Otis and I are going to sign off for the morning. Thank you for joining us on our walk from right away from Bellshill through the woodlands there and the mining reserve. So please click that like button, please subscribe, and don't forget to leave some comments. So till next time, so bye bye from me. So bye from Otis.